welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig sent from Queen Virgin Remy. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So this is going to be a quick 5-minute hair video for you guys. I do have a half wig today in 22 inches. It's also in a kinky straight texture, and I have her in 150% density. I don't recommend you guys go up on the density because you guys know the kinky straight is very full and it's more of a coarse, thicker, texture. So 150% is perfect, and the 22 inch is also a very natural length as well, you guys. I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig cap construction. As you can see, it has combs. Some people prefer the combs, some people prefer the clips. For me, it didn't really matter because this elastic band did have a very nice snug fit. So yeah, so it has 3 combs, 1, 2, 3. And all I have to do is place it right here behind my hairline. I have to take out a little extra hair for the temples because that's just how my hairline is, and it's thinner in that area, so hey. But all I have to do is literally clip this in. I have already had it loosened up back here in the back. This is not a clip on, this is a comb. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just slide these in. Let's see how secure it's going to feel. Good thing this is on my natural hair and not, anywhere else. Because you need something for your hair to you need tension on your hair for combs. And I'm just going to tighten it back here. Really tight. Really, really, really tight. All right. And the combs are in. As you guys can see, the combs are in. Now this side might need to be put away. All right, we'll do this side too. So if you guys have thinner hair like I do, I would recommend that you tease your hair, or you can do like this dig and tuck method that I did, just showed on camera, so that you can have some security around your hairline, because again, these are not clip-ins. And then of course I would pull the drawstring really, really tight, you guys, because that is actually key to making this wig feel secure. The combs is not going to do it alone. You definitely need to tighten the drawstring. So as for the hairstyle, I did go in with my T3 micro wand curler. You can find this in my Amazon storefront. I only wand curled the ends, and that's pretty much it. I just wanted some volume for it to look natural and blend in with my natural hair. I feel like a lot of people do complain about kinky straight hair not holding a texture. The key to that is you need to use a smaller barrel and smaller pieces. And also you can definitely use some hairspray. I always use hairspray on all of my hair textures anyway, because I like big fluffy hair. And yeah, I'm not really into perfectly styled hair at all, ever. So yeah, I did go in with some scissors and then cut some layers into it just so that it can match up with my natural hair length. And that's pretty much all I did. Now, I did try on the headband, you guys, but I recommend that you guys kind of use one of those structure headbands and not the ones that are just cloth material, because of the way that this half wig is structured, if that makes sense. So you would kind of see it when I put on the headband. You can kind of tell that I have on a half wig once I put on that cloth headband. So only recommend those headbands that have structure to it. But other than that, this was a super quick, easy wig unit. I'm actually thinking about wearing this for the holidays, because it was really easy and quick for me to put on. So if you guys are into natural hairstyles and half wigs, clip-ins, and things of that such, highly recommend that you guys try out a half wig, because they're just super quick and easy. Especially if you like really quick hairstyles, definitely try this one out. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next hair video. Happy holidays. Bye.